Welcome to our Biktrix e-bike assembly video series. Today, we are assembling the Juggernaut Hub Duo 2. First, we unbox and unpack the bike with a set of snips. Included within the box are components you will need to assemble your e-bike, and some extras for later when riding. Keep the front brake caliper to the side for now. We will come back to that later. Remove the plastic protective insert from the fork dropouts. Loosen the axle nuts from each side of the wheel hub. Loosen these until almost removed. Push the washers so they are touching the axle nuts and there is a gap on the hub axle. Line up the wheel with your front fork, positioning the brake rotor on the left-hand, non-drive side of the bike. Lift up the fork and align the fork dropouts with the threaded axles on the front wheel. This may take some finer adjustments or assistance from another person. When the dropouts are aligned with the hub axle, the fork will cleanly slide into place. Flip the kickstand down to hold the e-bike stable for the remainder of installation. Tighten up the axle nuts on each side of the wheel with the 15mm wrench. If you have a torque wrench, tighten these to between 30 and 44 Newton meters. Your front wheel is now successfully installed. Remove the stem cap bolt with a 5mm Allen key. This may be tight and require some force to remove. Once removed, you can set this bolt, cap, and spacer aside. They will not be needed anymore. Now, grab the stem that is included in the parts box. Remove the plastic cap covering the bolt. Slide the stem into the steerer tube. Then, tighten up the top steerer tube bolt with a 5mm Allen key. Next, start tightening up the side pinch bolts with a 4mm Allen key. We will not fully tighten these just yet. Now, remove the 4 bolts on the stem faceplate using a 4mm Allen key. Put the bolts and faceplate aside. Grab the handlebars and position the center of the handlebar onto the stem. Put the faceplate back and begin reinstalling the bolts one at a time by a few turns to keep the handlebar in place. Use the marker on the handlebar to center the bars within the stem. Once centered, tighten the bolts in a star pattern. You may need to tighten these in a few steps. Now, align the handlebars with the front wheel and fully tighten the stem pinch bolts. Reinstall the plastic cover into the stem bolt hole. Remove the packing from the brake caliper. Take out the spacer that is in between the brake pads. Gently pull the brake caliper down. Align the bolts on the brake assembly with the threaded holes on the fork and brake caliper. Thread each bolt in by 2 to 3 turns by hand, ensuring they are not cross-threaded. Fully tighten each bolt with the 5mm Allen key. Alternate a few turns on the top bolt and a few on the bottom until fully tightened. Locate the headlight wires and grab your headlight. Plug the connectors into the corresponding terminals on the back of the headlight. Plug red wire into the positive side, the black wire into the negative side. Remove the bolt, lock nut, and washers from the fork arch. Loosen the 2 bolts on each fork leg with a 4mm Allen key. Take your fender and slide it over the front wheel. Put your headlight on the front of the fork arch, fender tab on the rear, then put the previously removed longer bolt through all of these. Use the lock nut to loosely secure everything to the fork arch. Take the fender stays and align them with the holes on the fork legs you previously removed bolts from. Use the 4mm Allen key and previously removed bolts to mount these stays to the fork. You might need to tilt the metal bracket to align the holes. Now, fully tighten everything up at the fork arch using a 5mm Allen key and the 10mm wrench. Straighten up the headlight once everything is almost tight. Your fender and headlight are now installed. Grab your pedals. They will be labeled R and L. Right and left correspond to sides as they would be while you are riding. Apply some grease to each pedal before installation. On the right side, tighten the pedal clockwise with the 15mm wrench. You may need a few turns to get the threads aligned and started. On the left side, tighten the pedal counterclockwise with the 15mm wrench. Your Juggernaut Hub Duo 2 is now fully assembled and ready to ride.